Jamaican footballer Ronaldo Biggs has completed his move to Slovenian top-tier club NK Domzale from Racing FC. The 19-year-old attacker completed his medical on Monday and will wear the number 7 jersey at the club. Speaking with TVJ Sports, Biggs outlined some of the goals he has with Domzale.
For the 3 years that I will be in the Slovenian league playing, I would like to at least win the leading goal scorer whenever, and to also win the league. Yes, so those are the things that I want to really achieve in Europe.
Biggs also has ambitions of a national call-up in the future.
Well, of course, I would like to become a reggae boy one day. That's always my dream, to represent my country, so I'm still working on it, and hopefully I'll get the chance to do so one day.
Biggs is now the 3rd Jamaican footballer after Shamar Nicholson and Kaim Paris to play for NK Domzale.